In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo on Godaddy's website. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out with your very first website, there comes a time in the creative process where something doesn't quite go as planned. Maybe it's a text box that ended up in the wrong place, or perhaps an image that doesn't look right. Whatever the case, knowing how to quickly undo an action can save you from a lot of frustration. Today, we're diving into how you can easily undo changes on your Godaddy website, ensuring your site design journey is as smooth as possible. The first thing you'll need to do is sign in to your Godaddy account. This step might seem trivial, but is essentially your gateway to accessing and editing your website. So, navigate to the Godaddy homepage and you'll find the sign in link prominently displayed on the top right hand corner. Click on it and you'll be presented with fields to enter your username and password. Go ahead, type in your credentials. Remember, these are the details you chose when you first created your Godaddy account. Once you've filled in your details, click on the sign in button to access your dashboard. Upon successfully signing into your account, the next logical step is to navigate to your website. To do this, find the website section within your account dashboard. This is where all the websites you manage through Godaddy are listed. Select the website you wish to edit. This will take you to a new page where you can start making changes. Now that you're on your website's management page, look for the Edit Website button. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial. Clicking on Edit Website transforms your view, giving you access to the Website Builder tool. This tool is where the magic happens. It's where you can add, adjust, and yes, undo elements on your website. Moving ahead, after clicking Edit Website, it's time to navigate to the element you wish to undo. Maybe it's a misplaced text box, a button, or an image that just doesn't fit right. Use the website builder's interface to locate this element. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so moving through your website's pages and finding the specific element should be straightforward. Now here comes the critical part, undoing an action. Once you've found the element you wish to alter, right-click on it. Right-clicking on elements within the Godaddy website builder brings up a context menu with a variety of options. Among these options, you'll find Undo. This powerful feature is your best friend in rectifying any unwanted changes or mistakes. Go ahead, click on Undo. It's as simple as that. Your action will be reversed, allowing you to take a different approach or simply revert to a previous state of your website design. And there you have it. You've successfully undone an action on your Godaddy website. This might seem like a simple process, but it's a fundamental skill that can significantly enhance your web design experience. Remember, experimentation is a key part of designing a website. Don't be afraid to try different designs, layouts, or elements. Knowing how to undo actions provides you with a safety net, encouraging creativity and exploration. Now that you're familiar with undoing changes on your Godaddy website, you might be interested in exploring more advanced features like redoing actions, copying elements, or even resetting sections of your site to their default settings. Each of these tools adds an extra layer of flexibility and control over your website design, allowing you to craft a site that truly represents your or your business's identity. To wrap up, I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, building a website is a journey, and along the way you'll learn plenty of tricks and techniques to streamline the process. Undoing an action is just the tip of the iceberg. As always, if you have questions or need further assistance, Godaddy's support team is just a few clicks away, ready to assist you in bringing your dream website to life. Thank you for watching and happy web designing.